Here's a step-by-step guide to money manifestation for beginners. Step 1. Set clear intentions. Define your financial goals and desires. Be specific about the amount of money you want to manifest and the purpose behind it. Step 2. Create a positive money mindset. Shift your mindset towards abundance. Release limiting beliefs about money and cultivate a positive attitude. Affirmations and visualization can help reshape your money mindset. Step 3. Visualize your abundant future. Imagine yourself living a life of financial abundance. Picture the details, where you live, what you do, and how you feel. Visualization helps align your energy with your desires. Step 4. Practice gratitude. Express gratitude for the money you currently have. Gratitude attracts more positive energy and opens the door for abundance to flow into your life. Step 5. Take inspired action. Identify actionable steps towards your financial goals. These steps should be aligned with your intentions and resonate with your vision. Step 6. Create a money manifestation ritual. Establish a daily or weekly ritual to reinforce your money manifestation practice. This could include meditation, journaling, or visualization exercises focused on abundance. Step 7. Use affirmations. Craft positive and empowering affirmations related to money. Repeat them daily to reinforce a positive money mindset. Step 8. Trust the process. Have faith in the universe's ability to manifest your desires. Trust that your intentions are heard, and the universe is working in your favor. Step 9. Release attachment. Detach from the outcome and the timeline. Let go of any anxiety or desperation. Trust that the universe will bring what you need at the perfect time. Step 10. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate any signs of abundance or financial improvements along the way. This reinforces a positive mindset and attracts more success. Step 11. Stay open to opportunities. Be open-minded about the ways money can come into your life. The universe may present opportunities that you hadn't anticipated. Step 12. Reflect and adjust. Regularly assess your progress. If needed, adjust your goals, intentions, or actions. Manifestation is a dynamic process that can evolve over time. Remember, the key is consistency and belief in the process. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of abundance, you invite positive financial changes into your life. The practice of money manifestation can offer various benefits, both tangible and intangible. Here are some potential benefits. Clarity of financial goals. Money manifestation encourages individuals to define and articulate their financial goals clearly. This process helps in gaining a deeper understanding of one's desires and aspirations. Positive mindset. Engaging in money manifestation cultivates a positive mindset towards wealth and abundance. By focusing on positive thoughts and beliefs, individuals can shift their attitude towards money. Improved financial decision-making. The practice of manifestation often involves setting specific financial goals. This can lead to more informed and intentional decision-making regarding budgeting, spending, and investing. Enhanced focus and intention. Money manifestation involves visualizing and focusing on specific financial outcomes. This increased focus and intention can contribute to a more concentrated effort towards achieving financial success. Reduced financial stress. A positive mindset and a clear financial plan can help reduce stress related to money matters. Manifestation practices often emphasize gratitude and contentment, fostering a sense of peace. Increased motivation. Setting and visualizing financial goals through manifestation can boost motivation. As individuals see progress and witness positive changes, they are likely to stay motivated in their pursuit of financial abundance. Attracting opportunities. Manifestation is believed to align one's energy with opportunities for financial success. This might include new job opportunities, business ventures, or unexpected windfalls. Enhanced relationship with money. Money manifestation can help individuals develop a healthier relationship with money. This may involve overcoming limiting beliefs, letting go of financial fears, and embracing a more positive perspective. Empowerment. Engaging in the manifestation process empowers individuals to take control of their financial destiny. It encourages proactive steps toward achieving financial goals. Increased gratitude. Many money manifestation practices incorporate gratitude for current financial situations. Expressing gratitude for what one has can lead to a more positive and abundant mindset. It's important to note that the effectiveness of money manifestation can vary from person to person, and results may depend on factors such as consistency, belief, and individual circumstances. Additionally, while manifestation can be a valuable tool, it should be complemented by practical financial planning and responsible decision-making. In conclusion, the practice of money manifestation offers individuals a transformative journey towards financial empowerment and abundance. By setting clear intentions, cultivating a positive mindset, and aligning one's energy with financial goals, manifestation becomes a powerful tool for personal growth. Throughout this process, individuals benefit from enhanced clarity regarding their financial aspirations, leading to more informed decision-making. The positive mindset fostered by money manifestation contributes to reduced financial stress and an improved relationship with money. Moreover, the manifestation journey empowers individuals to take charge of their financial destiny, providing motivation to persistently pursue their goals. As gratitude becomes a central theme in this practice, individuals develop an appreciation for their current financial situations, fostering contentment and peace. While money manifestation opens the door to attracting opportunities and positive changes, it's essential to acknowledge that results may vary based on individual beliefs, consistency, and practical application. Combining manifestation practices with responsible financial planning creates a holistic approach to achieving financial success. In essence, money manifestation is not just about acquiring wealth, it's a holistic process that transforms the way individuals perceive, interact with, and attract abundance into their lives. It encourages a shift towards a positive, intentional, and empowered relationship with money, paving the way for a more prosperous and fulfilling financial future.